Hey, it's just Sam here from SensatioNail. Today we're going to do something super amazing and super cool. It is our StripGel. The reason why it's so amazing is you do not need to remove it with any acetone. It's super easy, super quick to use. What more can you ask for? As always, make sure to give it a like, share, subscribe, and that bell notification button. Ka-ching! So these are the items that you should expect to receive in your box. So to start off with, a gel cleanser, your peel-off base coat, your no-wipe top coat, and you also get a surprise colour. So in this case, we got Matcha Madness Vet Pistache, and then of course our colour Raspberry Wine with our two-sided buffer, our cleansing wipes, and our cuticle stick, as well as our lamp. If you want to have an in-depth how to prep your nails, there will be a really amazing video how to prep in-depth down in the description down below. So buff away, then you want to use your cleansing pad and your gel cleanser to get rid of any excess oils to make sure it applies nicely with no excess oil. Like a little horse. Just a little bit, just to dehydrate your nails nicely from all the oils. Our beautiful next step is my favorite part, which is the peel-off base coat. I would recommend that as a color, you should always use the original colors. So if you do use the express gel polishes, that's fine, but we would normally recommend to use the original preferably. So as you can see, I'm just adding a very lovely, even, thin coat just throughout the entire nail from the cuticle downwards. And then I'm gonna let this air dry for a few moments, so a bit of flappity flap, and we should be good to go in a few seconds. As you can see, my index finger is slightly shiny because of the peel-off base coat, but that's okay. It might be slightly sticky, and we're good to go as long as you leave it 30 seconds to air dry. So let's go ahead with our raspberry wine colour and put a nice even coat of that, and then LED lamp it. Make sure to go from the cuticle downwards and from the sides and not going on any of your cuticle skin, and then make sure you cap the nail so that it does not tear or peel off too soon. Let's LED lamp it with our SensatioNail lamp. As it is the colour, you have to leave it in the full time until the light turns off. There we go, lights off, and now we just go in with our second coat until we've got the desired shade, of course. If you need to know a perfect application to the polish, if you're not a professional, go and check out, there will be a link down below on how to apply gel polish like a pro. Look at that perfect application, if I do say so myself. Once that is finished and you have your desired shape, we're going to go ahead and use our no wipe top coat. So the concept with this is that with the original we had the top coat, and then you would have to normally use your cleansing pad and your gel cleanser, but with this one you do not have to use the gel cleanser, so you can just go ahead and do this, do a lamp light on it, and then you're good to go for the day. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and use your LED lamp only until it flashes the once, and then you're good to go. This is what you can expect with a really perfect application. Like I said, make sure to go and check out the link if you need any more details or instructions. If you've missed out on anything, it will be all down below. The next step would be to remove them, but don't forget, leave them at least 48 hours and they will last up to 2 weeks. So to get started, you want to go ahead and remove your StripGel just by going from the cuticle downwards, and you want to go slowly. So if you want to start peeling it off very gently. My top tip is make sure to leave it at least 48 hours before you do so. As you can see, super easy, super quick compared to acetone. It's a walk in the park. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I must say, it's very easy for me to pick my favourite SensatioNail product by far because it is the peel-off base coat. Let me know what is your favourite thing about the peel-off base coat, as well as what colour you used today. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. See ya! 1, 2, 3. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed doing it. Let me know how you got on with the new StripGel and what colours did you use in today's looks, and I hope to join you next time. What is wrong with me?